In Candyville's heart, gingerbread buildings and lollipop lampposts paint a whimsical tableau under a bright, sun-kissed sky. Laughter echoes through the square as children frolic with candy canes, their joy a sweet symphony in this sugary paradise. Lulu, Max, Zoe, and Benji, each immersed in their favorite treats, embody the carefree spirit of this idyllic haven. Pink clouds swirl ominously above Candyville. Lulu, with a mix of awe and apprehension, questions, "Guys, is that what I think it is?" With scientific precision, Max confirms the impending chaos. "According to my calculations, yes, a bubblegum blizzard is imminent." In Candyville Town Square, Zoe clutches her scarf with a flare of despair, facing yet another sugary crisis. Zoe cries out, haunted by the memory of an adhesive encounter, "Not again! Last time, I was stuck to a lamppost for 3 hours." Benji shrugs with nonchalant optimism, seeing only the sweet side of chaos. Free gum. In Candyville Town Square, a maelstrom of wind heralds the descent of colossal, sticky bubblegum snowflakes, splattering chaos and sugary dread upon the townsfolk. As the bubblegum blizzard intensifies, the friends' faces mirror a tumultuous blend of wide-eyed wonder and growing apprehension. Amidst the sugary tempest, the ground transforms into a treacherous landscape of sticky pink goo, trapping unsuspecting feet in its sugary embrace. Amidst the swirling chaos of Candyville Town Square, Lulu, ever agile, evades a spiraling gum flake amidst an intensifying storm of sugary debris. With urgency in her voice, Lulu cries out, "Quick! To the Sugar Shack! It's the only safe place." The Sugar Shack beckons as the sole sanctuary from the candy storm's relentless onslaught. In the tempest of Candyville, the group sprints, their laughter mingling with the storm as they dodge the sweet, sticky onslaught. Disaster strikes as Zoe is ensnared by a gum-covered bench, her scarf a colorful flag of surrender in this sugary battlefield. In a moment of comical despair, Zoe cries, "I'm stuck, again." Amidst the whimsical chaos of Candyville Street, Max brandishes a candy cane, its sugary gleam hinting at a desperate plan. With a surge of adrenaline, Max declares, "Hold on, Leverage." In a moment of triumph, Max frees her, just as a gum tornado emerges on the horizon, devouring parked candy cars in its wake. Amid the whimsical streets of Candyville, Benji's eyes widen with a mixture of awe and trepidation as he beholds the swirling mass of gum. With his mouth full, Benji softly declares, "Okay, now, I'm concerned." They burst into the Sugar Shack, a sanctuary against the encroaching tide of sticky chaos. Panting, they cautiously peer out the window, their faces reflecting relief mixed with disbelief at the sticky siege outside. Safe within the wooden walls, they find themselves in a sticky standoff, the Sugar Shack, their only refuge. Inside the cozy Sugar Shack, Lulu's mischievous grin hints at impending chaos. Lulu declares with glee, "Well, at least the town will smell amazing tomorrow." In a moment of stark realization, Zoe laments, "My scarf is never recovering from this." As a fierce blizzard batters the world outside, Benji's mischievous grin hints at a game of cards about to unfold. With a theatrical flourish, Benji brandishes a deck of cards, his eyes sparkling with playful challenge. Benji's challenge echoes through the room. "Who's up for Go Fish?" The others groan, their faces etched with a mix of boredom and fond resignation, as they reluctantly gather around the table. In the cozy Sugar Shack, friends gather around a rustic table. Their initial annoyance dissolves into laughter. Amid playful banter and candy-related puns, their game of Go Fish ignites a spirited camaraderie. Each shared laugh strengthens the bonds of friendship, proving sweeter and more enduring than any sugary indulgence. Candyville awakens to a saccharine dawn, draped in a shimmering veil of pink bubblegum. Gingerbread houses transform into delectable delights, resembling frosted fantasies under the candy-colored sky. In Candyville Town Square, a collective gasp of astonishment transforms into giddy laughter as the townspeople embrace their newfound bubblegum wonderland. With uncontainable glee, children begin to pluck pieces of the sugary terrain, their laughter echoing through the air as they indulge in the sweet transformation. Joyful chaos erupts as the square turns into a playground of sugary delight, each chew echoing the town's sweet surrender to this whimsical reality. Lulu, Max, Zoe, and Benji emerge from the sugar shack, their eyes widening as they take in the kaleidoscopic wonders of Candyville Town Square. Zoe, her face glowing with pure joy, struggles to remove a stubborn wad of gum from her cherished scarf, a small nuisance in a world of sweetness. In the heart of Candyville Town Square, Max is seen intensely studying a giant bubblegum snowflake, his curiosity piqued by its sugary architecture. Lost in thought, he whispers, "Remarkable, the way the sucrose bonds create such intricate patterns," as he marvels at the snowflake's crystalline structure. Inspired by the sugary wonder, Max begins to scribble notes in a candy-themed notebook, his penmanship as sweet as the scenery around him. He softly ponders, "It's almost too perfect to eat," reflecting on the exquisite craftsmanship before him. In Candyville Town Square, Benji seizes the moment, transforming chaos into opportunity with a makeshift stand overflowing with bubblegum-flavored candy bars. Capitalizing on the unexpected candy surplus, Benji's entrepreneurial spirit shines as he becomes an instant confectionery mogul. Amidst the sugary pandemonium, the town square transforms into a vibrant marketplace, where every bite promises a burst of sweet delight. In the heart of Candyville Town Square, Lulu's eyes sparkle with inspiration as she proposes a whimsical idea amidst her marshmallow-coated friends. Amidst the snowy expanse, Lulu's declaration rings out, "Let's make a giant bubblegum sculpture to commemorate the blizzard." United by Lulu's infectious enthusiasm, her friends, clad in marshmallow fluff coats, eagerly gather around, ready to transform discarded wrappers into a sugary masterpiece. In the heart of Candyville's town square, laughter and camaraderie fill the air as they craft a whimsical sculpture. With each playful jab and shared smile, the sculpture takes shape, embodying the very essence of Candyville's whimsical spirit. Their collective joy radiates, illuminating the square with an infectious warmth that captures the heart of Candyville. As the sun dips low, casting a golden hue, friends revel in their sugary triumph. Bathed in the warmth of the setting sun, their creation transforms a sticky predicament into a cherished memory. Candyville glistens under the sunset's embrace, a sugary haven made sweeter by friendship and ingenuity.